Ice cream week here at home with Miss Joan, and today, I'm still working on my party for tomorrow, and this is called Wendy's Frosty chocolate ice cream. It's chocolate ice cream, but everybody says it tastes like a Wendy's Frosty. Okay, calls for 3 ingredients in the regular recipe, and I add 4. You know I gotta add something to it. But anyway, you put in a 12 ounces of Cool Whip or non-dairy topping. Non-dairy whip topping, however you say it, the professional way. It's sitting out here at room temperature, so it's good and soft. All right, there I went 12 ounces of that. I'm gonna start my mixer, and I'm gonna put in, this is a half a gallon container of chocolate milk. Just like your kids would want a glass of chocolate milk, well, that's all in the world this is. So I'm slowly pouring in a half a gallon jug of just regular chocolate milk. All right. The third ingredient is a can of sweetened condensed milk, 14-ounce can. All right. I should have put that in second, but I didn't. It's gonna all cream together anyway. When I first learned this recipe, that's all it called for. 12 ounces of Cool Whip, a half a gallon of chocolate milk, and a can of condensed milk. Of course, you know, some people call this Eagle Brew milk. And that's pretty good right there. But my family likes it just a little bit chocolatier. Oh, can't say that word. How would you say that? A little bit chocolatier. Hey, my daughter's gonna have a Jim Dandy time trying to delete this out of the ice cream video.
More chocolatey.
That's it. Won't I do that, my school teacher daughter? All right. My family likes more chocolate in theirs. I reckon I was trying to invent a word there, but look at here. This is just a chocolate syrup. This is Hershey's brand. Use any kind. That's the fourth ingredient that I add that wasn't in the original recipe. Okay, I add some extra chocolate syrup to just give it that little punch that makes it more chocolate tasting. How's that? Oh my goodness. If you couldn't laugh at yourself, what could you do? Isn't that right? And I give myself plenty of opportunities to laugh at myself. All right, got my 1 gallon ice cream container. You already know a number of this, number 2, and they're all numbered with 2, so I won't get them messed up. Ooh, yeah, that looks good. All right, ooh, I got this bowl pretty full. I'm gonna go down real slow. Okay, good. Here we go. Oh yeah. I'm telling you what. We'll give that mixer a workout today with our ice cream. See this? You know, ever pulled up to the window at Wendy's and got you a Frosty with chocolate? It's so good. Let's taste like it, okay? Don't take my word for it. Y'all try it, okay? I hope we don't pour this everywhere right on the camera. Here we go. So I won't pour it everywhere. Oh yeah. All right. See how creamy this is doing? I'm just taking my paddle and it's swirling it around a little bit, and it's getting all the extra little clumps that the Cool Whip left. And the chocolates all went in together. So now it's all ready for the refrigerator. I'm putting it in the refrigerator. And we're gonna get it out and churn it tomorrow in my ice cream freezers. Take about 30 minutes, and we're gonna have some wonderful Wendy's Frosty chocolate ice cream right here at home, Miss Joan. Here's my Wendy's Frosty chocolate ice cream. And y'all see I done a little cost. I added up what different ones cost. This one cost $11 this year to make a freezer of this. But it's so good, so good. Now, here it is. I'm just kind of stirring it up a little bit. See how creamy it is? Just from staying in the refrigerator last night. All right, this is the Wendy's Frosty going in. Katie's filling it with ice, and I'm going to get a good layer in there, and then I'm going around it with plenty of ice cream. So that will I can remember they had electric freezers fine, and you got to sit on the ice cream freezer while somebody else was turning it. And I can remember sitting under the tree in our backyard on the ice cream freezer while my daddy, I might get a little teary-eyed. He's been gone to heaven a long time, but he would be churning the ice cream freezer, and boy, that ice cream, oh, it'd be so good. It'd be anyway. Wendy's Frosty, and stay tuned. We're going to show you how we serve it out there in the freezer. Okay, here's Wendy's Frosty. It took it about 40 minutes in this freezer today. I don't know what. Maybe I wasn't paying it enough attention. But look here. Here it is. That's the one with the 3 ingredients, and I add a 4th. See that? Okay, here I am out here in the freezer. Always remember to move your paddle when you go have company, because it sure is hard to dip around it. But it's so creamy. Look at there. And I'm so thankful for how it turned out. Wendy's Frosty chocolate. And it's so good. Right home at, right here at home with Miss Joan is so good. This is the morning after the party. What I done last night with the 3 ice creams and my company left, I was tired. So I just left the whole thing in the freezer with the lid on it. And then this morning we brought them in here on the counter. It didn't take long till they started kind of softening up a little where I could pull it out. And then I just poured all my leftover ice cream into these containers here. I like them because they will stack. Some people call these shoe boxes, but they're clean and shoes hadn't been in them. Make it in the microwave for just a few minutes. You can scoop it out with an ice cream scoop, because see, it's not all that deep. So many times I've been guilty of putting my leftover ice cream in a bowl, and it's this thick. It takes forever for it to thaw out a little bit. So I found that this trick works. So here's my leftover ice cream from the party. Preacher and me are going to enjoy a little bit of 3 different kinds in the days ahead. I just thought y'all might like this little tip from At Home with Miss Joan.